G'day on everybody. My name is Pete Willis, and obviously I'm one of the referees for the International Sevens. Once again, it's been a privilege to be here and referee the Rarotonga International Sevens. It's a fantastic tournament. It's incredibly well organised, and we love coming here, myself and the other two New Zealand referees. I couldn't come here every year without the support of a very special person in my life, and every year she comes with me to Rarotonga. We've been coming here a number of years now. That's my beautiful partner, Kavita, and I'd like to invite Kavita up to join me now, please, if she could. Kavita is the love of my life. We've been together for a few years now, and frankly, I couldn't think of a more fitting place or a better space than beautiful Rarotonga to say, baby, I love you with all my heart.